Good morning, traders. Welcome to today's market review. This is Razak at CMTrading. Today is June 1st, 2017, and today is Thursday morning. So looking at the economic news for today, we're starting out at 10:30 South African time, GBP Manufacturing PMI number coming out, and then at 2:15 South African time. This is the Adp Non-Farm Payroll that is coming out. Okay, Adp is the largest data processing payroll company in the United States, and it is a vital number to let us cue us in for tomorrow's non-farm payroll. So big number coming in tomorrow for non-farm payroll. And then at 4 o'clock South African time, ISM manufacturing number PMI coming in the United States. And sure enough, crude oil inventories at 5 p.m. South African time. So let's see what's going on in the markets. We're going to start here with the Euro USD. As you can see, we're almost back up to our resistance level of 112.50-ish level. We're at 112.40-ish. Nice rally the past couple of days. We broke this 11.23. Nice fake out, and then we just rallied right back. So looking into the week, I'd like to see some sort of continuation here above 12.58 to really give me this a really, showing me that it's strong and showing me that there's a new trend on the upside. So you have to see how this unfolds later today. And this has been a pretty rocky ride for the Euro USD. So I'd like to see, like I said, some continuation. If not, we could definitely see it retrace itself between 11.62 and 12.40. That's a nice range to be trading through. So that should be on your radar today. Looking at GBP USD, we traced sharply this week to 127. And now we're just bouncing back off of it at 128, right between this 129-ish and 127 levels. So we're right in the middle of this new range, okay? We anticipated that this would be the new range because we had this massive rally back in April, okay, towards the beginning of April, where we kind of changed things for the GBP. Things were looking a little bit brighter, but we haven't broken this 130 level still. So I'd like to see some sort of continuation. I think we're going to continue trading within this new range as the dollar has gotten much weaker versus the currencies. Looking at the USD Japanese yen, we're at 111-ish here. Okay, as the dollar has gotten weaker, you could see here we're just flirting with this 110 level. Let's see if we do break it or we sustain this level. So big number coming out tomorrow, and many of, as you can see, the Forex symbols are right at their crossing points. They're either at resistance or at support. So this is really an important level for us going forward. Looking at gold, gold's been a rocky ride the past couple of days. We see go from 1260-ish level to 1272, one-day rally. I mean, that was a really awesome. If you're still holding, okay, from this 1220 rally that we had, the sell-off back in the beginning of last month, okay, you'll be doing really great. Almost a 50-point gain on this gold. So that would have been a really beautiful move. I missed it myself, and I was just actually thinking about it this morning, saying, hey, I missed this move. But there was always future moves. So the question is where we're going from here. Right now we're trading within this range. Let's see if we do break this 1270, come back to 1300. Let's see. That has to actually create itself. But we are getting stronger. Okay. What I'm not liking about this is that the Dow Jones is not getting stronger. Okay, 20,891, and it's just sitting up there. So the gold is getting stronger, but the Dow's not really moving higher, and that's a little bit concerning me because usually it's an inverse relationship. Gold goes up, Dow goes down. That I'm healthy with. I'm okay with that. Okay, but here, so there's a little bit of uncertainty in the Dow Jones here whether or not we're going to continue going higher. Okay, so there's uncertainty in the market, and that's forcing gold to go up, but the Dow's not going down. So, to continue purchasing this thing, I don't have the confirmation, and to short it, I don't have the confirmation on the Dow. So I'm a little bit of a in a question mark area with the Dow Jones vis-a-vis the gold. But as you can see here, we're just flirting with our all-time highs, right? If we look at a weekly chart, at 20,000, we're at 20,098 right now, 981. So 20,151, 160 was our all-time high. So we're only 70 points off our all-time high. I would like to see a little bit going up or going down in one direction. Give me some sort of confirmation. Looking at the DAX also, we've been just trading within this really tight range since like the beginning of, or rather the middle of May, and we're continuing to trade within this tight range. So I'm a little bit of a question mark here in the Dow Jones and the DAX. Looking at the JSE, however, we did sell off quite sharply from this 48,419 resistance level. We mentioned this last week, and we're trading now at 47,160. So a nice retracement for the JSE, a nice sell-off if you're able to catch that. Now we're coming into a little bit of a support level right here, a mini support level, I would say. So if you are shorted, I would look to cover my shorts, maybe even look to buy a little bit of the bounce and see how that unfolds. So, altogether this thing has been trading beautifully. If we're looking at a monthly chart, been trading beautifully between these two ranges, 44-ish thousand and 48-ish thousand for the past, almost 2 years. So it's been good. Okay, so if you've been trading this ranges, good for you. Okay, but as you can see, this is major retracements areas here up top, and there's been a support level here on the bottom as well. This is Fred Razak at CM Trading. I want to wish you guys a great trading day. Thank you.